Now we come to page 23, section A. Okay, brother? On the right hand column, you see, what do you see, brother? Names of masculine names. And on left here column, you see names of feminine. Okay. I'm going to tell you a couple of new things. Okay. You just will try to remember, inshallah. See, all the masculine names have tanween at the end. Remember, I told you, an Arabic noun in its natural form is always marfu. Is always marfu. Okay? So when you say Muhammad, it is Muhammadun. When you say Khalid, it's Khalidun. When you say Hamid, it's Hamidun. When you say Yasir, Yasirun. And when you say Ammar, it is Ammarun. And when you say Sa'id, Sa'idun. And when you say Ali, Aliyun. And when you say Abbas, Abbasun. Got the idea, brother and sister? Now, on your left hand side, you have muannas, feminine names. Okay? Asmaul muannas. Okay? What is it, brother? Do you see the difference? That there is no tanween. Why? We got to think. Brother, if there is something there, we got to think and say, why? I also, when I thought, I said, why is it Aminatu and not Aminatun? But then I realized, our females are, Allah has blessed them with a lot of beauty. They're all beautiful. Men, they are rough, plain. So in Arabic language, the males were given tanween, extra decoration, 2 feathers, tanween. The ladies are already beautiful. They got a lot of jewelry. They made themselves beautify. So the Arabic language gave them one dhamma. You don't need, because you're already very beautiful. So you don't need to.
You don't need dressing up.
You don't need dressing up. So now this is, of course, it's not the way it is to be explained. I just joked with you. There's another joke, brother. Men are very strong. They can carry 2 dhammas. Sisters are weaker than men. They cannot carry 2 dhammas. They can barely handle 1 dhamma. So that is what it is. 1 dhamma at the end of a noun of a female, and 2 dhammas at the end of the noun of a man. But the real reason is, brother, okay, that later on we will learn that Aminatu does not decline as Muhammadun. Are you with me? Okay? It does not decline. Normal way. All right? Now, I'm sure you are strong. You have understood that dun dan din business. Okay? So we say Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin, Khalidun, Khalidan, Khalidin, Hamidun, Hamidan, Hamidin. How about Amina? Aminatu. Next one, Aminata. And next one, Aminata again. It will not take kasra. Even when it is majroor, brother? Even if it is majroor, brother Muhammad, it will still show fatah. Now this is something new. I will be repeating it many times. So inshallah, you will understand it. The thing that you should keep it in mind, 2 things, brother. I'm writing in English first. Later on, we'll switch on to the Arabic. If the noun, if it declines completely in 3 cases, which is marfu, mansub, and majroor properly. Dun, dhan, then properly, we say it is triptote. What do we say, brother? Triptote. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? We say it is triptote. And then the noun that declines but not fully, we call it what do you call it? Diptote. Okay, I'll explain again. Muhammadun, Muhammadan, Muhammadin. Complete declension. Are you with me, brother? Marfu, mansub, majroor, proper dhamma, fatha, and kasra. Come to Amina. It is Aminatu, Aminata, and again Aminata. It did not decline fully. It declined a little bit and stopped. Are you with me, brother? Aminatu, Aminata, and again Aminata. So we call it diptote. Okay? These are the terms which the Western scholars of Orientals, Western scholars of Arabic, they have given from English language point of view. That this noun is, if I say the noun is triptote, it means it declines fully. Are you with me? Kitabun, kitaban, kitabin, bin. Bun, ban, bin. Are you with me? But when you come to Zainabu, Zainaba, and again, Zainaba again. Why? Because the noun is diptote. Are you with me? Sister Abir? Okay. I had a very big class, and you know, in sometimes a big class, there's a lot of disturbance, and people sometimes are disturbed, and they do not listen properly, they don't understand. I was explaining this. Then the brother raised his hand, and he said, Brother Asif, could you please tell me what is this tip top? I said, brother, this is not a tip top tailor here. It is triptote. It's not tip top, but it is triptote. You know, he somehow got the idea that I was saying the nouns are tip top. Anyway, I thought it was very cute, you know. Anyway, so when it is triptote, brother and sister, it means it declines fully. Dun dan din. And when it is diptote, it goes to dun, then dan, then stays at a dan. But we will still call it majroor. And that we will learn soon, inshallah. Okay, we'll learn soon, inshallah. So, brother, are you now familiar with these two columns? Sister Salma, they are clear? Sister Abir? Sister Naima? Sister Maimuna, is it clear, inshallah? Brother Farooq, clear? Abdul Qadir, inshallah. See, we always say Aisha, we have a sister Aisha, but then she is Aisha too. Are you with me? She is Aisha too. We have sister Fatima, but when you write it, it is Fatima too. But again, both of them are diptote. Okay? They are both diptote. Okay? Fine. Now we come to Ikra Waktub. Read and write by putting proper vowel signs at the end. Number one, brother. Hamidun. Number two, Zainabu. We cannot say bun, that will be wrong. Next one, Aminatu. Next one, Ammarun. Ammarun. Next one, brother, Sa'idun. Okay, and then Fatimatu. And then Maryamu. Very good. Not Mun, Mu. Next one, brothers. Alijun and Khalidun and Abbasun. See, there is a shadda on ba. It's not written, but then we get used to it. Abbas. What is it? Abbasun. Okay. Next one, brothers. Aishatu. Sisters. Muhammadun. Okay. Next one. Safiya tu. Next one. Khadija tu. Masha. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. One is Triptote and one is Diptote. You will remember that. Some names, are feminine and they don't have tamarbut. But we will, inshallah, remember it. When you say Maryam, it's a name of a girl. When you say Zainab, it's a name of a girl. Okay? Like that. Brother. So, but most of the time, you will see ta marbuta. Or later on, we will go and learn that they can end with alif maksura. They can end with alif maksura. All these things we are going to learn slowly, slowly. Brothers and sisters, we must remember, every lesson in our book is like a brick. We make one brick and we put it and build a wall and eventually a house. So in every lesson, we are going to learn some new grammar rule which will help us to understand the language better and in more detail, inshallah. Okay. This is done.
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, to like the video, and to turn on notifications.
أو زد عليه ورتل القرآن ترتيلا إنا سنلقي عليك قولا ثقيلا